يا راغبا في كل علم نافع.
ينمو العلم ويتقدم بتقنياته ومجالاته، ومعه نطور أدواتنا في تقديم العلم الشرعي. أكاديمية
زاد أكاديمية ينبوعها صاف ليروي غلة الظمآن. وتعلم الفقه الميسر عاملا بالشرع دون تعصب لفلان. بشرى لنا زاد أكاديمية للعلم كالأزهار في البستان.
بسم الله والحمد لله والصلاة والسلام على رسول الله وآله وصحبه ومن اهتدى بهداه. Part of riba an-nasi'ah is what is known as as-sarf. Sarf we spoke about, but we will highlight a little bit further. Sarf is exchange. So when you exchange dollars for another currency, euros, pounds for yen, and the likes, this is called exchange. And it is selling money with money. This is what we're actually doing. I'm traveling to Europe. I need euros. I have Saudi riyals. I go to the exchange office. I give him the Saudi riyals and I take euros in cash. And, and this is the types that we spoke about before, and we would reiterate it again. Money exchange has two cases. Number one, if it is dollars to dollars, how would that be? This is when you would like some change. I have $100 bill. I need to break them into $10 bills, $20 bills, and some coins. In this case, this type of change has to have two conditions. One, it has to be equal. $100 bill, you give me an exchange, $50 bill, $20 bill, and 10 $1 bills. That's 100. So now we're equal, 100 to 100. The second condition, it has to be simultaneous, hand to hand. There shouldn't be any delay, because a delay would mean there is riba an-nasi'ah. An increase or decrease in the amount would mean riba al-fadl. So these two conditions must be fulfilled. The second scenario is when the currency is different. So when I'm buying dollars with Saudi riyals, then one condition is required, and that is it should be simultaneous. Now, unfortunately, a lot of the people like to have the Sharia revolve around their own needs and not the opposite. We should revolve around the Sharia, and whatever the Sharia says, we comply. Businessmen, normal people, they come, and when they see these rules about halal and haram, they get agitated, irritated, uncomfortable. We're losing money this way. It's not convenient for us. They want the Sharia to follow their whims and desires. It doesn't work this way. Among the most famous platforms people ask about is Forex. I will not go into details about Forex, whether it's legit or not. But dealing with Forex does involve a lot of gambling. It does involve a lot of haram, especially when you hedge, when you buy by margins they provide you with. when you have options and you gamble through them, all of these are haram. You can't deal with such haram transactions. Some innocent people like quick gain. So they have money and they just throw it and they're willing to wait. That's wise. When you buy stocks and your stocks fall, don't gamble. Wait another year, another 2 years, it will rise, providing that this is true and real stock market. And it's not only digital. People buy things in air and sell them. When we come to buying gold and silver and currencies, this is a different issue, because riba al-fadl and riba al-nasi'a may apply here. How? We said that if you're buying gold with euros, it's the same reason, الثمنية, the value and the price. But the quantity is different. There's no problem, providing that there is one condition fulfilled, and that is it's done simultaneously. Is it done simultaneously in Forex? Actually, the way I see it, when you buy gold or silver or exchange currencies, they say we've put it in your account, but you cannot actually cash this except after 1 or 2 working days, which means that it's not done simultaneously. Other scholars looked at it from a different angle and they said, well, actually you can not cash it, but as the money is in your account, you can buy other things with it and you can trade with it. So technically it is in your possession. I personally am inclined to say that it's safer for your religion, for your iman, to stay away from whatever is dubious, because of the hadith of the Prophet alayhi salatu wasalam, when he said, Al-halalu bayyin, hadith of Nu'man ibn Bashir ibn Sa'd, may Allah be pleased with the man, with his father. Al-halalu bayyin wal-haramu bayyin. Halal is crystal clear. Haram is crystal clear. And between them, there are dubious, ambiguous things. Very few people know about the rulings of them. Whoever stays away from them, then he's clear in his religion and reputation. He's safe. But whoever indulges in them, he's approaching haram and may fall in it. So don't go for a quick fix and want to gain money quickly, because what comes easily and quickly goes easily and quickly as well. هذا والله أعلم ونسبة العلم إليه أسلم وصلى الله وسلم وبارك على عبده ورسوله نبينا محمد.
يا راغبا في كل علم نافع
ينمو العلم ويتقدم بتقنياته ومجالاته، ومعه نطور أدواتنا في تقديم العلم الشرعي. أكاديمية
زاد أكاديمية ينبوعها صاف ليروي غلة الظمآن، وتعلم الفقه الميسر عاملا بالشرع دون تعصب لفلان. بشرى لنا زاد أكاديمية للعلم كالأزهار في البستان.